Hi everyone. Today we are going to recreate a viral podcast thumbnail. You already know Jay Shetty podcast, and we are going to recreate one of these viral thumbnails that he does for his channel. So we are going to recreate a thumbnail similar to this. Here you can find this exact Canva template in the description section below so that you can create your thumbnail in just 2 minutes. So let's get started with a tutorial on how you can edit this thumbnail and customize it. Okay. So first you need a picture of yourself. So I have generated this picture with ChatGPT and I have added the prompt for this as well in the description below. So you can go check it out and generate a picture like this for yourself. Okay. Okay. So take a picture, remove the background. If you have Canva Pro, you can remove the background in Canva itself. But if you don't have Canva Pro, you can just go to this free website. The link will be in the description as well. And you can use this to remove the background of your picture. Okay. So we have this picture. And then how can we make it? It isn't originally black and white. So you go to edit, then go to filters, see all, and then you can choose any filter. If you don't want it to be black and white, okay, no problem. You don't have to have it black and white. But I just want to have it in black and white. Okay, so you can choose among numerous filters and choose a filter just like that. Then just to add shadow behind your picture, you can go to FX, shadows, and then drop shadow. Have this have this selected, and then you can play with the settings to see what works, what you like, and what you don't like. That's it for the pictures. Then for the rest of the thumbnail, you just need to change this text, right? You just need to change this text, and you have a beautiful thumbnail in just 2 minutes. It is based on a viral template and it works great for YouTube as well. And for this textured background right here, you can click on the textured background and you can change the opacity of it as well. If you want to have it a bit more intense, you can keep it a bit more intense. If you want it a less intense, you can keep it less intense, right? So yeah, there you have your beautiful thumbnail. And I have also added a gradient below. So you can even remove it, but I like to have it because it creates a very smooth transition. So you can find all of the link and resources in the description. And I hope you like it. And if you find this video helpful, just leave a comment and like this video.